In West Jaintia Hills, the Khasi Students' Union has taken a bold step to address illegal settlement and trade activities in the region. The West Jaintia Hills District Unit of the Khasi Students' Union, led by President Laitpar Sengkrem, Vice President Chanbor War and Assistant General Secretary Balawante Suchiang, conducted a surprise inspection in the Yaumusiang market area of Jowai. The raid targeted illegal settlers and unauthorized shops reportedly run by non-locals. During the inspection, several shops were found to be operating without valid documents. Most of the shopkeepers failed to produce even a basic identity proof like an EPIC card. Only a few had no objection certificate issued by the local village council. In anticipation of the raid, some shops had already shut down earlier that day. The KSU had deployed 5 separate teams to carry out the operation simultaneously. What is more concerning, according to the union, was the involvement of a known leader of another pressure group who allegedly attempted to claim ownership of these unverified establishments despite lack of any proof regarding the Indian nationality of the workers. Following the raid, the KSU ordered the immediate closure of all such unauthorized businesses and reiterated its demand for strict enforcement of legal protocols to prevent illegal trade activities in the district. The KSU has made it clear that unauthorized businesses will not be tolerated. The students' organization has urged upon authorities to take stricter action and ensure all settlers and traders are properly verified.
Ini dia KSU ini lagi di Dekar, awal kerja di Islamic Islam dia. Wah, tapi di kiri pok gari ini, beliau ni kalau kami identify, betul di Pakistan, betul di Bangladesh, betul Islam ni. Itu dah boleh. Baik verification MM, dan labor MM, ada kod ke?
Ini tipe ada kod atau
jadi kamu buat yang
penting yo.
Itu ini malam saya malam tipe ni.
Tipe.
Ini habiwan uji taruhan. Kau pemik habiwan. Habiwan Islam. Islam.
Tahu ada kod kali ini.
Hamil ini. Hamil ni usin halang dengan dia.
Nabi dah unil kan usman tipe aku kreat ini. Tipe ada kreat ni.
Kamu. Ini dah ni.
Unimit dah, unil kan usman.
Dah boleh ikut Islam. Mereka Islam ni.
Islam ikut Islam tu. Bibi ikut ini mana mesej kemat ni. Tiba ini
Hamia i wani huro ini cek ke Islam.
Kau cek ada orang ini. Penyu IP dokumen kan baik. Ini pun ni. Nak kira ini. Lebih kira sini udah kurang only one dia. Haluan. You step by jenaka.
Ta kasni na kalian ke isu West Jaintia district inala ban pendep ke isu hagaba inala banyak sakmat naga benta ban khandrai kita mender kiba wan sa bean na nagbawan buhay sinong hakan ke jaka ka jongi andre ka jiya lenti ka jisya ngimut ban khandrai kita mender kiba na barri katkum ka jinyo i jongi ba halor ka jing yakan at apdeng ka Pakistan bagi India ngilangun ban khandrai don kita ki barri kum Pakistan dagi Bangladesh ki wan chakne ke jaka ka jongi handai bepse ka jiya lenti ka jongi kat bangi dang khandra ngilap penban ba kibun hi ki barjela nene kita ki mendar ki badon hangne ki ba yo ya kata ka enusi na kita ki darbar snong ba pher ki badon hangne hapo sorjawai bat kalong kai kai ka ba sngaurem bat sngaw khian ala nakaliang kaseng ba ki barjela hi ki yo ya kita ki kot kisla bat kibiang kita ikut kislah bangilai kendra segidukan gijongki kibiang ikut kislah gijongki kendra kidan setang katokan ne kita gidukan kibombiang kita ikut kislah kiba nihap ban khang hi dalade bat kalong kai ka bas ngopsi adu kata-kata habing niat ya kana ganti niat khuru bat ki paradok perasnam kibayada ya kina ki bendari ki bawan naki jela bat negeri ki naki wai kiri bat teng hateng niat ku ru hidon kita ki seng balang ki perlok seng balang ki ba ai ya kata ki jinya da ya kita ki mendari ki bakam ba hidei maki ki ba ai jinya da ya ki ndai nakaliang kaseng ni ngin ya chakamat ngin nom salia ya kane ki jinya da bat ngin nom salia ya kane ki jing aibor jong kina ki dorbar sinong nana kina ki perok seng balang na benta kina ki mender bagin yo ban long try nana ban le he hakane kari ka bei ke jongi nakaliang kaseng ni da penrem juru ya ki bor jong ke distrik ki bala pelai lailan ya kina ki mendar bagin yo bandruk lailan hakane ka jaka badakane kari ka bei ke jongi hangne ngi peni ba kat sia bangiai ba kalong lailan hadu kata-kata ka peni ba mdon kita ki bor distrik kiban pej kiban kmi ya ka jingrung kertep jongi mender hangne haka jaka jongi hapo rilum jantia bat kum joro ngapen pau ka jing si hadu kata-kata hakaba kat bangi nang yai segi jaka ba per jong kasor jowai ngi iba setangkat no ngin sa syak telep hakine ki mender kibawan hakane ka jaka ka jongi ba ngit scam balada kane kan yai jia si yai jia bah kawai kasngi nginom yo isu ya kedur jong iparado parasnam jongi hasor jowai bar rilum jantia hi barok kawai bangit sayo i da kadur kemat jogi negi mender ibawan buhai sinong hangne hapo kari ke jongi tena kaliang kaseng ka ai kijing maham ka bajur ya kum kine ki sim kabu lada keyboard district lada keyboard sinong lada kine kino kiseng balang kiba sim kabu na benta ban aiding lane ban aibor ya kina ki mender bakin yo ban le bor hangne jaka jongi nakaleng seng ngino mailat dalai leiru ngin ya sakaman nakabenta ban pendep ya kamram na benta ka jiksingan jokari berkajai penriu